service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee, and Pickens. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, east central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Walla or near Lake Keowee, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Keowee-Tuxaway State Park around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pickens around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include 9 Times and Sunset. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee, and Pickens. The current time is 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.